Okay, plan today is to do a cold start on the S10. Been sitting in here a while, getting dirty. Guess we'll see if it'll run. I remember the last time I had it run. Probably a month ago, maybe a little longer than that. Hopefully the battery's still up. Find my keys. There's my keys. Figure out which one goes in the ignition switch. Now the buzzer's working, that's a plus. I don't know if his battery's any good still or not. Hopefully it's still got some juice to it. Let's turn it over. As long as it don't go dead before it starts. Listen to her beat a little bit. Another run of my undramatic cold start. My carbureto is gonna die here though. I got some different wheels I'm going to put on, so I'm going to pull it up to the shop. But this is going to do it for the cold start. Hope you enjoyed.